Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all around the world. Today I have for you Stitch Fix, which is a clothing subscription box. Oh, also real quick, I have a giveaway that's currently going on, and then I have one that I am announcing for the near future, so I'll put those links down below and you can check those out. But again, today we have Stitch Fix, and it is a clothing subscription box. I have a Style Pass where I pay $49 for an entire year, and that $49 is applied to my purchase. If you sign up using my link, which I'll put down below, I believe you get the first month for free, which means you don't have to pay the styling fee. But if you do the month to month, the styling fee is $20, but that gets applied to any purchase you make. The styling fee is good for that particular box. If you get offered for the styling pass, then that styling fee of $49 is applied to, you can use it on anything for the next 12 months. So with that being said, let's get into Stitch Fix. So what you generally do is you go in and you fill out a style profile with your likes and your dislikes. And you can also leave your stylist a note on things that you might be looking forward to in the fix. You get 5 pieces. You can get clothing, you can get accessories, you can get purses, shoes, jewelry, all kinds of things. It just depends on what your stylist is feeling and what you're feeling that month or that fix. I actually get fixes every 2 to 3 weeks. So we're gonna open it up, and that's what it looks like on the inside. You have your return bag, so whatever you don't want to keep, you just put it in the bag and you toss it in the mail. Ooh, and everything's falling out again. Well, that was my burrito, but as you can see, everything is falling out. So I'm just going to toss that on the bed. And then you have your little envelope here. So it says, "Oh, hello." And then you open it up and you get a little note from your stylist. I will put that in one of the corners here so you can read it. And then you also get these little pictures here. They're like styling cards that can show you different ways to style the piece that you got. And then you get your price sheet, which is here. It lists all your items and it lists the prices, and it gives you a subtotal, and it also gives you, if you buy all 5 pieces, it gives you a discount of 25%, and then it tells you how much it's going to be. So this is one of the more expensive fixes that I have gotten, so I will probably not keep everything, but let's get into trying these on. So here we have the 41 Hawthorne Rihanna runched jersey dress in black. It's a size small for $78. Now, I don't know if this is just the way the dress is made, but it feels too large on me. I love the little zip detail on the side. I think the ruching is really cute, but it just feels baggy on me. So I'm thinking that this is a no. So here we have the Karl Lagerfeld Paris Presley Pearl Detail Knit Dress in navy, a size 4 for $108. It has like a really cute mesh top, and it has the scallop detail with the little pearl details. I don't know. I feel like it's cute. I really like the detail in it. I feel like it is flattering to my figure and my style. So this is going to be a maybe. Here we have the Jessica Howard Glory Lace Dress in white, and it is a 4 petite for $88. I think this dress is really pretty. I love the netting or the lace detail in it. I like the little keyhole in the back. I don't know. I think it's the right length for me. I like to wear my dresses this length. I think that they show off my legs really nice. I just think this dress is really pretty, and it'll definitely go in the maybe pile for me. So here we have the Karl Lagerfeld Paris B-ruffle detail knit dress in pink. It's a size 4 for $98. I just absolutely love this dress. I've been asking my stylist for a pink dress for a while now, and she finally come through. I really like the neckline detail, and I love the chain detail. I just think that that is absolutely adorable. I love the way it fits. I think it looks really good on me. I love the color. I am in love with this dress. So here we have the Leota Dixie Faux Wrap Knit Maxi Dress in teal green. It is a small petite for $78. This dress is pretty. The color suits me really well. I like that it's a maxi dress that is a petite because that is a very, very rare thing in my world. It has a cute little tie detail. It is a faux wrap, so it doesn't actually wrap around. It has the nice little slit up the leg. It doesn't go too high, but you know, it's not too low either. And I really like the fact that this dress hits me at my ankles and does not drag to the floor. I think it's flattering on my figure. I think it's a pretty dress. I'll have to think about it. Okay, so I've made a decision, and the thing is with Stitch Fix is that if you buy all of the items, you get a 25% discount. And even though the black dress was a little bit large on me, it just makes sense for me to keep the entire fix because I do really like all of the other dresses. So that's what I'm going to do. The stylist pick subtotal is $450, and with my discount that is minus $112.50. So my order total is $337.50. The black dress, it'll just hang out in my closet, and you know, it's not so large on me to where I can't wear it and make it look nice. All right, you guys, you have a great day. Bye.